are going to love the 2019 Jeep Wrangler. Few vehicles are better off-road than a Jeep Wrangler. This is the one that started it all. Traceable to the original Jeep, the Wrangler is the very symbol of off-road capability. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, traction control, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, 8 speakers, universal garage door opener, electronic stability control, security system, compass, power windows, heated steering wheel, trip computer, convertible, fog lights, remote keyless entry. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.